Yeah, man, see it a Miss Bev chicken, man. Right now the corner, yeah, so. Breakfast, lunch.
Yeah, man.
Come right, yeah, so. We don't want no juice with this.
Yeah.
Just come and Miss Bev, yeah, so. Cold fire style, steamed veg.
Steamed veg.
Well fried chicken. Watch your ugly man attacking up from way around, so. Come and Miss Bev.
Yeah, man.
Delicious food.
Yes, man.
No belly hurting.
Put on the park and yam with you, remember me tell you.
They were the first.
Oh, yes. Still in downtown Kingston, and as I'm telling you, some of the nicest set of food you will ever eat is on the street side. We're here on Mark Lane, crazy, just the lane beside, right here in downtown Kingston, the lane beside the mothers, the big mothers in downtown Kingston, Mark Lane, just that little lane there, right at the entrance, not far, literally not far from the entrance. We're not gonna find a lady here. This one is going to be epic because Mama Bev is here today, and Shagop, she's one of the lady them, you know, one of the old timer them where cooking is in her some, and Shagop prepare some crazy home style chicken today. We're gonna see how she prepare that sliced fish, and oh my god, some curry goat. Wicked vibes. We're in downtown Kingston, same way. Food never stop, man. Yard life's good, and we're gonna see how she do her thing today. Mama Bev, right here at Mark Lane, downtown Kingston. Wicked vibes, man.
And this is ackee.
Ackee and saltfish.
Right, Callaloo.
I said straight Callaloo.
Right.
So the like the ital vibe. Big up. So the ital ackee that
Right.
without saltfish.
Right.
Alright.
Salt.
Oh, it's salt mackerel.
Chicken.
Oh, come catch the clear breakfast,
Stew
man.
chicken,
That's
right.
stew chicken.
Yeah. And there's some wild food.
It's like wild food over here, so.
Yeah.
Crazy things. Yum.
Banana.
Oh, banana over here, so you boil banana different.
Yeah.
Alright.
Banana different. Banana pot.
Wow.
And this is food pot.
Food pot.
Dumplin, yam.
Aye. Original.
Dumplin.
Hey, some people know, you know, Mama Bev. I know the original chef, you know. Oh, this pressure.
Yeah, man.
Is a pressure out? Oh, so you transfer it going to another pot
the
now?
big pot to put in the rice and the milk and the everybody.
Oh,
So you season your peas.
oh, them pepper,
Real Jamaica own style.
Oh my God, man. Original style.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Pepper for spice him up.
Alright.
Skelly and everything. Pimento.
Pimento, yeah.
It's not short and nothing, you know, Mama Bev.
Alright.
Jesus, peace. Yes, man. Original home style vibes. Right behind Colonel Charles Arcade. Nowhere far. It's just crazy. You're not even going at the heart of downtown Kingston, right? Right at the mothers. It's just crazy home style cooking going on. So I see some home style chicken today. And the stew chicken, the breakfast settings, the ackee and saltfish, the ital Callaloo, everything just looks so good. That's a breakfast setting. So she do breakfast and also lunch. She go right up to lunch. So it's just crazy. And feel like I eat some of the stew chicken that looks so good in the pot, man. Yes, man. How long are you there, Mama Bev?
Well, for the past 5 years.
For the past 5 years? You're right at the spot you
Right
cook.
at the spot, yeah.
Jesus, peace. So Sundays and Wednesdays, Mama Bev not there. So if you come up on a Wednesday or a Sunday, you're not going to find Mama Bev. But crazy food there right through the other days of the week. Wicked vibes. Saltfish fritters in the morning. Ooh. Rice I wash up now. You just see that peas and something throwing at the pot that already done pressure and carve out. Rice there over here, so. Whoa. It's a white rice. Oh, these are the white rice for the curry goat. Whoa. Whoa.
Yes, baby love. Saltfish and bean, ackee. Stew. Saltfish and bean. Alright.
These are the real original old timer cooking. And I play cooking them a tip a little butter in the white rice that get that soft and moist. When you bounce that down with some of the curry goat and piece of fish. Hey, Mama Beth, cheese and peas sweet to the bone, man. Sweet to the bone, man. Yes, man. Hot pepper. Can't leave out that part there, you know. Boy, may I tell you say sometimes the ginger get the spice in the Mama Beth.
Right.
But may I tell you say sometimes when you buy a piece of it, you know, it make you vex, you know. Yeah, man. Give me look vibe,
Yeah.
same way. Yeah, man. With all that natural seasoning, still give him a little touch of the spice there. Season him down to the bone before you add on all of that curry. Just season the pot alone give you a vibe. With all of that pepper and the spice and everything just give you a wicked vibe. It smell good. Jesus. Time for the real deal. The curry. What you said? Not on the meat?
Not on the meat, you know.
So hold on. So not even a little bit?
Not even that cook.
Strictly in the aisle.
Strictly in the aisle.
Whoa. Whoa. Some people do both put curry on the meat and also in the aisle. But here, Mama Babe, if your technique is strictly in the aisle, the curry go. Wow. Can't wait to see how this turn out.
This you burn your curry.
Yeah, man.
Morning, baby. Now it has finished.
Strictly in the aisle, the curry go. Man, just the smell of that and that just gone at the pot. Yeah, man.
No, me still have breakfast. Salt mackerel, stew chicken and ackee. My saltfish and beans finished.
Just like that. Cover him down now. Simmer down. Wicked vibes. What a piece of technique. Everybody do them thing different. Remember me tell you, Jamaican vibes, street food vibes. Wicked. Yeah, man.
What a salt mackerel, no dumpling, yeah?
Alright. That no, you're not good. I see it.
You want ice him up?
Yeah.
Oh, you go and go to jail, come on and feed me. You only go and go back there.
That pass on them part, the thing.
You never see a better down-to-earth style for ice up a pot off of the fire. Especially the rice pot, because you want that steam, you don't want that burn. You never see a better way. Look on this.
Only go and go back there.
With a fan cover, Jamaican style.
You want to feed him there.
Man, this smell good, man.
And a white
Auntie Babe,
rice.
man.
Butter.
Wicked place in the one.
Butter this is nice.
Jeez,
Wicked.
this smells so good. And the texture just looks so soft and moist. Original yard life cooking on the street side. Crazy, crazy. Cover him down, go and steam down, see him. Yeah, man. Take your time, take your time. Curry goat pot over the sago and bubble down, see him. White rice and peas pot your sago and bubbling.
So, I'm ready. I catch him color now.
Yeah, man.
See?
Color catch. Wow. Color ketchup on the curry goat. Wicked. Every curry go right in the oil. None on the meat. Put him in a nice pressure cooker pot and make him go and bubble down under that whole fire there. All of the juice extract from all of them seasoning, the sweet pepper, the hot pepper, crazy skelly and thyme. All of them juice they were extract out of that just go right in the meat and the gravy. Yeah man, wicked vibes. Drop a fresh piece of thyme in that. Jamaican style cooking, man. Yes, man. Yes, I'm gonna get the pressure down now.
Yeah.
Lock him up. Lock him up in that, make him pressure down. Yes, man. Jamaican style. Lunch I prepare and breakfast still a share out. All of the breakfast I take time come down to par now because people are pull up for them breakfast and everything I done. But lunch, no need to worry. Lunch there, man. We are going to see some home style chicken. Curry goat already gone in the pot. Sliced fish there. Original Mama Bev style. Yeah, man. Crazy. We are kick off the morning with some of this. Remember? Crazy. Thank you so much. Remember? Curry goat in the pot I go and bubble down. Wicked. Sliced fish not come out yet. Oh my god, the home style chicken. We can't wait to taste some of Mama Bev home style chicken. But here we have to try some of the stew chicken and we get some Callaloo mixed with this with ackee and saltfish. Original downtown vibes. Yeah man. No food at all. Oh, what a piece of mixture. No food. What a ackee. This savvy, man. Oh, I share the ackee lady.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yo, this ackee tastes so good. Right away, that spice a kick in. Boy, Mama Bev come like, use up the pepper, man. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This ackee tastes so good. This ackee tastes so good. Whoa, we can't stop eating this. We're going on some of this Callaloo. This is Callaloo because no saltfish night, so we call it ital. Whoa, going on some of this right now. Oh yes. Alright, go on, do you think my Mama Bev, man? Wow. Going on some of this stew chicken right now. Wow. That hits you different. That hits you different. These are the carrot because you don't know. Carrot, the Irish, all of them something they add to the body. Whoa. We get that gravy thick and nice.
spicy just step on a level. Wow. That is all of them season there. Not the gravy. No food at all in this. Just strictly ackee and saltfish, ital callaloo and stewed chicken. Yo, this ackee is something else. The ackee done already. Wow, my favorite so far. That little salty vibe just wow. This is the downtown vibe and we have more food to eat. So just a start off the morning. Whoa. Where the ackee done already. Oh my god, this is so good. Lemon. Original vibes. Get a little piece of the saltfish for the stewed chicken. Sweet and salty, you call that. Oh yeah. Boy, everything done. Look on this wicked with mixture. And when I don't eat it, it's just crazy. The street food vibes. I love street food. Oh my god.
Alright, darling.
Sliced fish vibes. That's the right amount. But you never out of cool it, Mama?
No,
never. Nah, out of cool. But them bun good though.
Yes.
Them bun nice. Yeah man, them bun nice man.
Tap up the one with this one. You can babble and steam out the rice properly.
Yeah man, nice. One on the street food cooking and not normal crazy vibes. When them don't watch them fingers always hungry cold because this is street food vibes. Always down in the cold so you don't know. The fingers don't watch it. That's help season the pot. Yeah man. When you see a hard-working woman down in a cold bag, a top up a cold fire and a cook food. Crazy. You have to appreciate food. You have to appreciate the taste of the food. Come like it season more when some of the cold are going on. Whoa. Wow. Rice gone in a pot. That is the rice and peas pot. White rice pot basically finished already. And nothing normal. Street food vibes on there. Pressure cooker pot over there, so I go and pressure down some curry goat and know crazy authentic vibes. When you hear that thing there spin on the top and it make that shh sound there, you know say good food are going in a pot. Yes man. Wow, rice and peas pot look unique. Hoo-hoo.
Yeah? What the meal you know? How you come when breakfast almost done? So one for you, where you want?
Sliced fish I get clean up and now boy the curry pot just a smell up the place. So I'm gonna right up on the fire now.
Take a little cinnamon.
Some more more pepper on him again. Yes, man. Yeah. Like the sound of this, man. Like the look at this. More spice. More spice. Yeah, man.
One last, you know. Flavor in there.
Curry goat left from out of the pressure cooker pot, gone in a wider pot, bigger pot now if you could go and simmer down the right and proper way. And we just see more spice add to that, more pepper add to that, but curry goat half is spicy. Yeah man, curry goat not for lame. And we go and get in all that some more Irish, some carrot and beer things in the pot that add to the body. You know when that taste that grab you. Yeah man, original street way, street food vibes. Yes man, curry goat, ranking goat. After the goat pot.
Right.
Alright.
Some vegetable in there.
Yeah man, and some Irish and thing.
Yeah.
Add to the body height. Thickness and nice. Wow. Sweet pepper. Wicked vibes. Boy, I can smell the spice, I can smell the pepper burning at that. Yeah man, wicked all of the seasonings add to that now, and everything was to give the body. Carrot, Irish, all of them things that just add to the pot looking rich, crazy vibe. Rice and peas are stirred up now. Yes man. Yes, crush two pepper and drop in the aisle. Boy. Flavor the aisle. Yeah man. Nothing like the smell of fish when that touching a hot oil. Pure with all of them pepper there and them garlic and something there. Wicked the smell of that. Me I tell you man, wicked vibe man.
Oh, the fish kind of bread.
All of them goodness there. Fide, fish pot. All of them goodness there. Okra, pumpkin, sweet pepper, tomato, hot spicy pepper, bag of scallion, thyme, all of them things they just. Ooh, look how the fish them look pretty man. And them even start them set and even start fry it. We have some over here so in the hot oil already. And another set over here so soon ready for go down in the aisle, bubble down. Oh, fish up. Bust up in a leg. More spice again. Oh, that curry goat, they are going wicked. More spice again for the curry goat. Yes, man. Right, yes, him just go and baby long now. Yeah. Over the heat. Yeah. And I him there. Come on, nice. They say and someone swell rice.
Swell rice, like my one. So my one has swell the rice.
So it's 12 fish. That's why I go for you?
Yeah.
So you believe in that?
Of course.
Eh?
Yeah. Because you can't put 10 pounds of rice in this.
Eh?
And
while some people can do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
And it's a 8 pounds of rice in this.
It's a 8 pounds?
Exactly. Yeah, see there. Wow. And you know don't steam out. The white grainy nice. Right.
Wow.
Take it up right there. Only curry goat may have ready then now.
Fish up golden. Yes, man. Try till them well gold. Yeah, man. All of this is my cooked down, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, man, fish can't stick when I'll hot. I'll hot till it a smoke. Fish can't stick. Oh, yeah. Bulk water and that. All of them fish are cooked in them okra and thing, the whole. Original downtown home style chicken with mama babe. Yeah, man. Natural vibes, so. Trick to this. Them chicken are not cut up small like a brown stew or a curry. Them cut up in a quarters. So when you eat home style chicken, you eat a natural leg, whole a wing. It's just authentic vibes here. And we have see Mama Beba prepare our home style chicken, original home style. Fish done fry up, about for going at the sauce. Curry goat done, home style chicken. I got prepare right now. Just crazy. Rice and peas done, white rice done.
It's every day one of them job.
Yeah, we did it one day.
Watch it, you know.
Like, we did them.
Home style, street style.
Yeah. Alright, when the police truck come back. Yeah, you must tell her the right thing. When the police truck come back, I the recommend, make it clear, they're too high. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Go down now, I mean that ready.
Home style slice fish. Yes, man.
What you want?
Yeah, man, it's man. Right.
Yeah. You soon go on the ship left you.
Yeah, so like what the one they send go foreign and I first one that you have to make it look good. You have to put nothing in it.
That's right.
You know, say that them come get when they come here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright, you know what's going on. When you do the meat now, you don't know. Let the bone knife. Yeah, let the bone knife. Yeah, man, stir it up, man. Stir it up, man.
Stir it up, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man, stir it up.
Stir it up for you. Up.
And put some of the pumpkin in it and some of the carrot and
Yes,
Irish and everybody.
yeah.
Yeah. I remember I brought a leg. What about that?
The leg not there yet. The leg not fry
Alright,
yet.
give me curry. All good. And I grab one and it's a goat.
All goat again. Goat.
What that look like it light? What that look like so?
Can't lie. Heavy goat.
No man, that look light man.
No, come. Heavy. Come in. Come in, friend.
I look like one next spoon. Why chicken then? Not chicken or fried?
No, chicken already.
No, not all the fried?
No.
The goat look like it last though. Let me have that.
One for you. Rice fish and HOMESTYLE chicken. Yeah. No, you don't know the other one or no one? What? Oh, you don't like that one.
And have a purple one. Where is it? What about no?
Same time that you want, Fanny. Ready?
Ready.
Ready. One. Yeah, do what? Oh, you?
HOMESTYLE chicken, fried crispy in the oil, and then just done with all of them ketchup and seasoning. That are the trick to HOMESTYLE chicken, the original street side HOMESTYLE vibe. Yeah man. Season them to the bone, sweet and fried crispy, and then cooked up. Yeah man, that is HOMESTYLE.
The bowl make sure I tell her take off the ash. Tell him bowl. Make him man see what I saw. Tell him what the curry goat is.
Tell you what the curry goat is.
Tell him.
Tell him what I got. Tell him what the curry goat is.
Then we have to make sure we reach from early before it done time.
Everybody out there don't
Hey, come on, money now, man. You know me the last track of money. You know me the last track of money. So, yeah. You know already, so nobody fears me now. Drop take good. And take good. Yeah, don't come in and say me gonna rain and fast when you man to rain there.
Yeah, man.
You want to island here?
Yeah man, no man.
Down here still in the cup.
Yeah.
You don't name Sunday.
Next Friday.
Huh?
Okay, baby. Alright. Alright. I'm getting there. Just like a movie.
Yes man.
I'm getting there for with me and myself and that.
Why mama baby? Why? You know, easy, you know. One man soul, one man army, you know.
Army, yeah.
Oh God, man.
Yeah, cool too.
Why?
I go over the water man. Yeah.
Two more pot of chicken and fry up. A lot already finished fry up. 2 more pot. They are finished to fry up. Going on 1 big pot. All of that I go simmer down in some carrot, some ketchup. A lot of ketchup. That's what make it home style. A lot of ketchup, carrot, Irish. All of the seasoning them, scallion and thyme, sweet pepper, hot pepper. All of them things they are going on 1 big pot with them fry up chicken. I them have to fry crispy. That's what make it home style. Crazy style. 1 big pot them are going to look on this.
Tell me.
All of the chicken will fry up are going to that 1 big pot there, and then it will go cook and simmer down right and proper way. Yeah man. Original street style, home style. Mama babe. Yeah man, downtown Kingston always a keep especially with the street food. Yeah man, original style in a downtown Kingston. A lot of pepper make that eat that spice, turn up the flavor in that. Yes man, with the scallion and all of them seasoning there. Finger licking man. Drop a piece of butter in that. Oh yes, yes man. All of them chicken they are gonna turn you know and get that golden crispy look on the other side, because that's the trick about it. Have to fry dry and crispy, golden. Yeah? And so when you bite into that, you get that little crispiness. Sit down in all of that juice with the ketchup you taste. Finger licking man, look on this.
And slice this. Afternoon. Yeah, man. Yeah, baby. That one's for me.
This is how you deal with it right and proper way. Big pot going on right now with all of them seasonings and everything up. Bubble on like that. You tip back some of the oil, the same oil we use to fry the chicken. You have to tip back some of that in it. Keep the flavor, because remember say all of that flavor from out of the chicken and everything done in the oil already. So you tip back some of the oil in it and you're good to go around. Ketchup. Add to the flavor. Yeah man. Brown into the pot, get the coloring also. Oh, home style man. moment to be now wait for all of that fried chicken now, gone out the juice, cheese and peas that sitting at that for a couple minutes that's just a soak up every juice, every seasoning, everything just nice when it's done. And the place is so hot. Yes man, we are sweat but we're here for the food and we're there on cold fire, real fire heat. That's the vibe. Yeah man.
Why you gone now? No, you get sale. Backside one. You come and post the other man. Wicked. Guns true.
Real home style.
Yeah.
You get the thigh and you get your leg.
Yeah man. No, cut up.
No. No, I'm going to share some of the food. I just want to share your food.
Okay, first go back in that here.
Go.
Hold up, 1 minute.
Join and give up. Join and let it go. Alright. Now what? 2 years. Oh. Alright, already there.
Sit up tonight
Why
already.
you not with me?
So you say what?
Big up man.
It's a big up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And thanks again.
Every time.
Alright, sir. No, we have to eat something now.
Yes sir.
Alright.
Go true.
Put on the park and jam with your hand. Remember me tell you now. That is
Have one style.
Why not them
Yeah,
spice?
man, I really set a food man.
Yeah man, see it and Miss Bev chicken man. Right now the corner you talk.
Yeah man.
Breakfast. Lunch.
Yeah man.
Come right here, son.
Mama babe.
Watch your ugly man attacking now. From way around, sir. Come and Miss Bev.
Yeah man.
Delicious food.
Yes man.
No belly hurting. Sit here.
Cold fire style.
Cold fire style. Steamed veg.
Steam veg.
Well fried chicken.
Yeah.
Well seasoned up. You know it go.
You know it
We
go.
don't want no juice with this.
Yeah.
Just come and Miss Bev here for any day except Sunday.
Real. Ah,
Yeah man, see it and Miss Bev chicken man. Right now the corner you talk.
yeah man.
Breakfast. Lunch.
Yeah man.
Come right here, son.
Mama babe.
Watch your ugly man attacking now. From way around, sir. Come and Miss Bev.
Yeah man.
Delicious food.
Yes man.
No belly hurting. Sit here.
Cold fire style.
Cold fire style. Steamed veg.
Steam veg.
Well fried chicken.
Yeah.
Well seasoned up. You know it go.
You know it
We
go.
don't want no juice with this.
Yeah.
Just come and Miss Bev here for any day except Sunday.
Real. Ah, everything done, everything sealed upon this man. Mama Bev. Yo, fish smells so good. We see all of this prepared from scratch. This is one of the things with street food why I have to love street food. They actually see a thing prepared right on the street side. Coal fire or wood fire or gas stove, no matter what. You see a thing prepared. This is the vibe. Curry goat. Home style chicken. You know, say this literally cooked down. Callaloo. But I'm giving them more callaloo, you know. We eat all for callaloo this morning, you know. Ital vibes. Are the real way. It's the home style chicken, that's a vibe, you know, that cook down, fry out and cook down naturally in some real ketchup juice, the original Jamaican way. And this way I got dip in right now. The curry, see this dip in it and pressure down from scratch, original yard style.
Bad man.
Hold on.
Yeah, the vibe, you know.
Right away the coriander king. The coriander king. All of that pepper, we see pepper going at this about 3 or 4 times. Wow, mama babe. Wow.
You know, so much
This
of the
is the
right
vibe.
meat for me, the meat. And the rice and the vegetable meat, you know. I love the vegetable, you know.
Properly steamed down. Wow. And this, what I love about this literally in a steam out food, you can get that crunchiness out of the steam.
Yeah.
You get that crunchiness from out of the cabbage.
Alright, this have a little more.
Wow. Authentic bites.
Wow. Dipping at the home style chicken. See the heat that come out of this just come off of the fire. Just come off of the fire. Oh, wait.
And then see it go on so and take so long. Ganja in a line.
Okay.
Some light, we don't know, but the ganja in one line.
The steam.
I thought if you might be a
Huh?
The steam we are coming out of this.
Man, my patient, man. Me and them are rolling up.
Yo, the meat does drop off of this anti-bake. Original home style. Wow.
Right.
Coal fire cooking.
I really eat a roll now when they see me eat this, they must know, you know. When I eat a roll, I'm afraid my belly. Whoa, really?
And all this fish. You see this? Go down in the pot and fry crispy, golden up,
Right.
and then just cook down. And all that juice, all of that carrot, everything what you eat the body, plus okra. So you know that give all the little slimy vibes to cheese and peas. Just as what I think.
Alright.
Just as what I think. Oh, now I love the texture of it. That little crispiness the way I get from the edges of the fish. Whoa. Oh yeah. Full of flesh. Can't get no better than this.
Look the bad boy there from the corner.
Whoa. Why, Mama Bev?
What?
Food that's sweet.
Right.
Rightly.
Right.
Them have to find any Mama Bev.
Right. Right.
What a road that name?
Right. Marlene. Yeah. And Arcade. Yeah.
Right beside the big man as them can't miss.
Yeah.
In a downtown Kingston. And they can't miss. Crazy food there. I don't know, yard life go to work. All of this I get us down. That's crazy. Yo, this tastes so good. I have to go back to the fish again. Fish wicked. Curry goat wicked pressure down. And then go in a bigger pot. Get that nice cook down because you don't want the meat, all of the meat pressure up. Home style chicken. All the skinny flavor in it. Wow. Natural authentic vibes. Here, downtown Kingston vibe. Yeah man. Yard life.
One minute.